Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to find the answer to this question. Morningstar offers highly reputable company reports, which was the key, in my mind at least, so I apologize for making this confusing for you. Highly reputable company reports. Now, you did answer previously that you would find a lot of detailed company information in Nexis Uni, which pretty much everyone got correct, if not everyone did. So find their financial health grade for the Disney company. Now remember, I didn't want to make this one too easy for you. So if you are in Nexis Uni, you will go to the menu and find the company dossier and search for Disney. Click on the first one. And so because I said company reports, you're going to go here and go additional company reports. And that's where you would find Morningstar U.S. International Institutional Database. And if you look through this very good information in here, underneath this information, you will go to their growth grade is a 2, financial health grade is a C, and their profitability grade is an A, which is really surprising, isn't it? That's why I put it in there, just because I thought it was really interesting. So I hope you're not too mad at me for that one. That was a tricky one. If you have any questions, please contact me at mlangridge, Langridge, @niagara.edu. Thanks.